So you get your sugar. Ooh, that bit looks so good. What's up, my Bella babes? It's your girl Lay, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna do a little sweet. I got a little sweet tooth, and I've been like craving these for like the longest. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to make strawberry chocolate covered strawberries or whatever. So I'm not too good at making chocolate covered strawberries, but I'm gonna try. So let's get into it. Alright, so y'all, my first step is I'm gonna wash my strawberries. So I'm gonna put them in this bowl. So I'm gonna put hot water on them. So I'm just gonna let them sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Y'all look how big these strawberries is. Let me show y'all. Look how big. They are really huge. So I'm just gonna let them. Like, look at these strawberries. Look how big they are. They are so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Alright, y'all. So I let them soak. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna let this water out. Now I want to make them a little extra sweet. So what I'm about to do is grab the sugar and I'm gonna let the sugar soak on it for like maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So you get your sugar. Get your sugar. And what you do? Look at that sugar on there. Let it see. Let's see. So my next ingredients is I have to melt the chocolate. So I got how you say it, Jabardali, whatever how you say this. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. So I'm gonna use this bowl to melt the chocolate. Baby, what is the scissors? Yeah, I love white chocolate. I think I done grew out of the what that is, milk chocolate. Milk chocolate be good, but white chocolate, ooh, they the dumbest. They the dumbest. When I say the dumbest, they'll make you slap your mama. Alright, so I got my chocolate in here, and I'm gonna put it over the stove, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do. Yeah, so I got my water in my pot, and I'm gonna stick it on the stove, and I'm gonna put this silver one over the pot so it can melt the chocolate, you know. So let me see if y'all can see a little bit. Y'all see? Yeah. So it's gonna be like that. And I'm gonna get a spoon. Yeah, I need some oil. So I'm gonna use a little oil for if it cook a little bit. So I'm just gonna let it heat up and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so while the chocolate is cooking, I'm gonna take my non-stick baking sheets and I'm gonna show y'all how they look. Make it look like this. You know, this is ugly. But anyways, I'm gonna put the sheet right here. Put my sheet right there. And let's go. Wait, let me put in strawberries. Y'all look how big they are. That's big. No, wait. Look at this one. Look how big. Alright, so let's go check on this chocolate. Alright, y'all, so the chocolate look like this. Y'all see it's melting. Alright, y'all, we in there cooking. So you want to get it to, you know, where it don't have no lumps. Man, this shit hot. Shit. They ain't got no lumps. So we finna take this to the little strawberry. Alright, y'all, so we gonna take our strawberries and our chocolate. Okay. Boy, look at that. Alright, we gotta hurry up. So I'm gonna take the little leaves and I'm gonna just dip it in there. Oh shit. I don't know if y'all can see, but just dip it in there. And I'm gonna place it on my pan. Ooh, that bit looks so good. Ah! Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. We making the sweet treats. Hey. All right. I don't know if I can show y'all, but you just dip it in. Oh Lord. Wait, yeah. And you just place it on there. That's all you gotta do. That's all. These big strawberries. Man, this thing's so big. Okay, you ready? Let's get ready to rumble. I gotta let the chocolate whatchamacallit some more. So I'll be back. Alright y'all, and these are the finishing products. Look how big they are. I did it. I did it. I still got some strawberries left, y'all, but it's alright. And I still got some chocolate left. It's alright. But yeah, I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator so they can get hard and whatever. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell button. And let me know what else kind of videos y'all want me to do. But I know I've been slacking. I know y'all been missing me. But anyway, let me know. Comment under this video and let me know what else y'all want me to do. Okay? Bye, my baby babes.